The hottest under the sun. Yeah. Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. Hey, you already know that pimpin'. Yeah. Cash money breakfast where dreams come true. Fuck up my dreams. Somebody gon' die tonight. Hey, you already know that pimpin'. Hey, it's Cash Money Records, man, a lawless game.
Unfucking believable. Lil Wayne's the president. Fuck 'em, fuck 'em, fuck 'em. Even if they celibate, I know the game is crazy. It's more crazy than it's ever been. I'm married to that crazy bitch. Call me Kevin Federline. It's obvious that he'll be Cash Money till the death of him. The ground she'll break when they bury him. Bury him. I know one day they gotta bury him. Better lock my casket tight, baby, so I don't let the devil in. Nigga, it's just me and my guitar. Yeah, bitch, I'm heavy metalin'. You can get the fucking Led Zeppelin. Niggas is bitches, I think they full of estrogen. And we hold court and take your life for a settlement. Yes, I'm the best, and no, I ain't positive, I'm definite. I know the game like I'm reffing it. This is the Carter 3, the New Testament. And I'm the God, and this is what I bless them with. Bitch, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, baby, I'm me. So who you? You're not me, you're not me. And I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. Junior. It's Cash Money over everything. It's in my blood, I feel it running in every vein. I'm from the mud, I am a missile like a Scud. What's really good, I'm about that ruckus like Bud. And I stayed on my flow at Cash Money like a rug. Tied to the fucking Birdman like a lug. And dear Mr. Ronald Williams, to you I shall forever give thanks like a pilgrim. Cash Money million, heir to the throne. Going at their heads like hair in a comb. Sitting by the window, I just stare at the storm. Know I'ma get through it like hair in a comb. Y'all money over bitches, my niggas trust my senses. And I will take us there, sure as the Lord is my witness. And you all have witnessed, but I am not finished. So keep your mouth closed and let your eyes listen. Bitch, I'm me, I'm me.